are going to Dobutsen.
Hello everyone. Anik and Mama are going to Dobutsen. Say hi. Hi karo. Flying Kishi. Flying Kishi. Welcome back to our channel. So today is Saturday. It's a very nice sunny day. So थोड़ा टाइम बचा है Dobutsen बंद होने में. Let's go and get to the Dobutsen. So Dobutsen is zoo basically. In Japanese उसे Dobutsen बोलते हैं. Anik-chan, are you happy now? Yes. हाँ जी, तो थैंक यू दोस्तों, आप मेरे साथ अब तक बने हुए हैं एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग अवर व्लॉग्स। तो मेरा नाम है हनी और मेरा बेटे का नाम आर्निक है। हम दोनों जापान में रहते हैं। सो आई एम वर्किंग मॉमी इन जापान। तो आपने जो बच्चे की पहले शक्ल देखी थी वो रो रहा था बिकॉज वो इसीलिए रो रहा था ताकि हम उसको दोबुत्सुएन यानी कि ज़ू ले जाएँ। तो जाते ही वो बहुत खुश हो गया। जैसे ही मैं टैक्सी में बैठी ही वॉज टॉकिंग ऑल अबाउट दोबुत्सु, दैट इज़ एनिमल्स. So he loves going to the animal areas or the zoo areas. तो वैसे ही हमने सोचा चलो मैं इसको ले ही जाती हूँ आज घर के आसपास. Now,
Yes.
Anik-chan doko iku no?
Dobutsen.
Anik no suki na tabemono wa nan desu ka?
Ramen desu.
Ramen desu. Anik no suki na nomimono wa nan desu ka?
Ramen juice desu.
Lemon juice. Okay. Anik no suki na amai mono wa nan desu ka? Amai mono wa nai? Candy とかチョコレートとか何？ケーキです。Anik wa nan sai desu ka?
3歳です。
3歳です。Anik no mama no namae wa nan desu ka? Nicely bolo. Anik no mama no namae wa nan desu ka? Harvinder Kaur desu. Anik no papa no namae wa nan desu ka? So Anik is a happy baby. Smile, smile and kiss mama. Do you love mama? So much or little bit? Little bit. Okay, let's go. ikimashou. हाँ जी दोस्तों, इस ब्लॉग में आपको ऐसे ही मिलेगा, कुछ म्यूज़िक, कुछ मेरी बातें. तो यहाँ बस हम पहुँच ही गए थे. जैसे ही हमने ड्राइवर को पैसे दिए, आनिक वॉज एक्साइटेड टू गो आउट. तो वहीं दरवाजे पे खड़ा था, पर जैसे ही हम स्ट्रॉलर से निकले, सो माई स्ट्रॉलर जस्ट हैंग अप एंड पता नहीं उसका क्या हुआ, उसका ऊपर का हिस्सा पूरा टूट गया. तो जैसे ही वो टूटा एंड आई वाज लाइक ओ माय गॉड एंड सब एवरीवन वाज वाचिंग एट मी कि क्या कर रही है लड़की बच्चे के साथ अकेली धूप में. एंड ओके, जैसे ही मेरा बिल आया, आई पेड माई मनी एंड वी वेंट टूवर्ड्स द this zoo. This is a zoo. Basically this is a free zoo for kids. Yes, it is absolutely free. तो आपको बिल्कुल पैसे नहीं देने, आपको जस्ट अंदर जाना है एंड यू जस्ट इंजॉय विद योर किड्स. एंड बहुत सारे एनिमल्स हैं और बहुत अच्छे से मेंटेन था ये एरिया. सो आई जस्ट रेफर टू दिस जू फ्रॉम माई वार्ड ऑफिस. वार्ड ऑफिस इज़ बेसिकली हमारे यहाँ पे कुछ गवर्नमेंट ऑफिस होते हैं जहाँ पे सब कुछ रजिस्टर्ड होता है बच्चे का, हमारा. So every time we go there, so every time I saw the poster of this zoo over there. So today I decided just let's go there, and I went there. I asked for money specifically from the people over there, but it was free of charge. So we clicked our picture, but inside there is some cafes or some like touristy things that they are selling. That was paid, which is up to you. Otherwise you can enjoy with your kids this zoo area, and I think this is a very good day outing and you won't spend much time and your kid will get tired. That's important. Tell you कि हमने अपना जो घर लिया है वो इस दोबुत्सुएन के पास में ही है. So we can come here anytime. तो यस गाइस, जो आगे मैंने बोला कि हमने जो अपना घर लिया है, यस, सो वी आर शिफ्टिंग फ्रॉम अवर दिस प्लेस टू अ न्यू प्लेस. So currently we are living in 1 LDK, which is little small. Now we are growing, like we are Arnik is growing, so we thought to change our house. So this zoo is basically 2 kilometers from our current house. So we are now going towards this zoo area, which is how our new house is basically near to this zoo. So you will see so many stories from now because मैं आर्निक को लेके वहीं घूमने वाली हूँ. It is free यार, why not? Chimpanzee, everything is here, and there is some cafe also. We can go to cafe also, okay? Oh, let's see. Oh, it's a gorilla inside, Anik Chan. Gorilla बिताए?
Gorilla is not scary.
Wow, see inside. Gorilla is sitting inside. Mita? Mita?
I'm not scared of gorilla.
You're not scared of gorilla? Let me send you inside.
It's a big one.
Ah,
It's a big one.
that's so big.
It's a giant gorilla.
There is a gorilla inside, yeah. Are you happy? You're not scared of gorilla, right?
Can you see zebra?
Zebra. Let's see.
食べるものは肉食のカメなんでエビ
Key.
It's
Ah, it's walking there. You can go. You can find. कितना बड़ा हुआ है. There is one more.
It's going closer.
Huh?
Going close.
It's not going close.
Yes.
He's eating grass, leaves. कितना प्यारे प्यारे है भैया. हैं? नान साई देस का. नान साई का वकारा नहीं. नान साई देस का. खाइते मस. Anna, it is 12 years old. It's written here. 12-year-old. Yes. And there is a zebra also here. Shima Omo is. This is a giraffe. Yeah, meat. No, देखो. Meat है. Scary. Wow. No. So Anik-chan, what did you see here? Kirin-chan. Kirin-chan अच्छी दा. Kishi mama. Happy. So now we are going to see the next animal. So what is our next animal, Anik-chan?
Zebra.
Zebra. Let's see zebra. Where is zebra? Zebra is not here, baby.
Peacock is not here.
Peacock. Peacock also is here. I think it's an ostrich. Ostrich is sleeping inside. Oh wow. That
Is
is.
that panda?
That is a red panda. That's a lemur. You wanna see or you wanna go to the next one?
I want to see. See, Mama, see.
Okay. Go.
You can see.
Let's go. So many lemurs are inside. Red lemurs, yeah. Yes, baby. अब आपने देखा होगा कि हमने बहुत सारे एनिमल्स देखे. आर्निक इज रनिंग अराउंड. ही इज गेटिंग टायर्ड, जो मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है. बट आगे जो होने वाला है वो किसी को अच्छा नहीं लगेगा बिकॉज आर्निक थोड़ा सा टायर्ड हुआ. उसने बहुत सारे एनिमल देखे. देन ही आस्क्ड फॉर आइसक्रीम. व्हाट अ 3-year-old कैन आस्क फॉर. आई सेड ओके वी विल गेट एन आइसक्रीम. तो जैसे ही मैंने उसको आइसक्रीम दी एंड देयर ही सॉ अ बिग gacha machine. So gacha machine is basically like a ball toys. Inside they put some toys. So everywhere they put this kind of toy machine in Japan, which is very common, and which is not all are cheaper ones. Some takes like 300 yen, some are 500 yen, some are 600 yen, some are expensive, some are cheaper. So in this Dobutsu yen also they put this kind of gacha machine. Okay, So I said, okay, you can take one gacha. When he took one gacha and even one ice cream, and he started crying like as if जब मैं उसे कुछ देती नहीं हूँ. Oh my God, that was a very bad moment. So everyone was watching to us again. Why this kid is crying? He was such a cry baby over there. Before that he was energetic. So देखते हैं आगे क्या होता है. बने रहो. It's a polar bear. Polar bears stay in the cold place. You wanna go inside? So अंदर एयरकॉन लगा हुआ है. There is a AC inside. Let's go. You want to stay here? Yes. And new house is also here. Beta, that's a parrots. देखो, small birds. Can you see the colorful birds like this? देखो वो देखो ऊपर क्या लिखा हुआ है. Attention pee. Maybe animal ऊपर हो तो animal can do pee on you. Then oh, so many tortoise. See. Go, look there. Not in the grass. Here, come here. Come to mama. Tortoise are coming to mama. Yes. Will you save mama? So many real mama. And how many real mama you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
That's mama? That's tortoise or mama?
Tortoise.
How many mama you want, huh?
Yes, mama. Papa, you are mom.
See turtle. Not sea turtle, it is a tortoise. I know this vlog is not perfect, but this is my first vlog after so long. Anik is 3-year-old. I am also now settled in my work. Now I have little time that I could make some vlogs. So I would promise that I could share one vlog in a 1 week. So that I would try from my side. And just जब मैं आपको पहले बता रही थी that here we are for an ice cream shop. And it's a cute cafeteria which is based on the animal themes. Even they are selling like curry rice or some things for the kids which is also animal themes. So मैं आपको बता रही थी ना, this is the gacha machine. This is the gacha machine where Anik is crying. And he already got one gacha. Okay, I gave him one gacha as he asked for. So as soon as I gave him one, he demanded for 2. वो तो मैं उसको नहीं देने वाली थी. And I let him cry. I let him cry because he's getting more demanded with the gacha. So यहाँ मैंने अपनी आइसक्रीम ली और जो मैंने बाई किया उसके बाद हम बाहर निकल गए वहाँ से. Then I got him one souvenir from here. That is basically a glass with a straw. He liked it. यहाँ तक वो बच्चा क्राई ही कर रहा था. खत्म. यहाँ पे हो गया था इसका सारा काम. यहाँ रोना धोना शुरू हो चुका था.